I'm sure you guys are wondering what is wrong with her. Is this a cooking video or not? But it is actually a cooking video. I made that food and it looks so yummy. Do not mind what happened along the video, the crappy dancing, but here we go with my video. Food plus dance equals happiness.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome guys. If you're here for the second time, welcome back guys. On today's episode of Fun Cooking with Cherish, I'll be making a very interesting dish. Yeah, I'll be making the South Korean dish called Dubu-jorim. I'll be making Dubu-jorim, or in English, it is the spicy braised tofu. I'll be making the spicy braised tofu today, and I'm so excited to see the outcome of this. Like you guys know, I don't cook every time, but whenever I do cook, I try to make it interesting. So this is going to be fun, guys. If you want to see what my Dubu-jorim will look like, my spicy braised tofu, watch till the end, okay guys? Stay tuned. Welcome back guys. So the first ingredients we need to make the spicy braised tofu is the tofu. Tofu is a vegetarian dish. People usually use it to replace the beef, meat, chicken, whatever in their food. Tofu is made out of soybeans, so it's a very, very healthy meal. So we're going to need the tofu, the onion, the garlic. I'm going to use this pepper and this pepper. I'm adding this pepper because I like my food quite spicy and hot, so this is my level of hot. And then I have the spring onion, I have the paprika because I want more color. That's why I'm adding my paprika. I have the soy sauce, oil, salt, and I'm going to add this chicken stock. Now if you are a vegetarian, you don't need to add the chicken stock. I'm adding the chicken stock just so that the taste suits my palate, like what I'm used to eating. Okay guys, so these are all the ingredients we need to make our spicy braised tofu. I want to prep my ingredients first, my vegetables, everything, so that I don't go back and forth. I don't want to start cooking and then I have to continue prep and then back to cooking. I just want to prep everything at the same time, and then I get to my cooking. That way my cooking goes smoothly. I don't want hiccups. Okay guys?
Guys, all my ingredients are prepped and ready. I've left my tofu in the sea for a while, so all the water has drained. If there's still more water on the tofu, I'm going to soak it up and dry with a paper towel. But for the rest of my veggies, they're all ready. Now let's get into making this spicy braised tofu. First, I turn my gas to high heat, and then my pan is already on the gas. Now I'm going to add some oil to this pan. I am using the canola oil, but whatever oil you've got, you can make use of that. We don't need too much. Next, I'll let this oil heat up. Now my oil is ready, guys. I'm going to add the tofu and I'll fit. Oops, look at that. So I'm going to add the tofu and I'll put it all flat in my oil. Oops, guys. Guys, this is my tofu well placed. Now I'm going to fry it till it's golden brown, and then I will flip it over.
Why my tofu fries? Maybe I can try one of these viral TikTok dances. I always wanted to try them, honestly.
My tofu is golden brown on the other side, so I'm going to flip all of them over. I'm going to flip all over. See how golden brown it is. It looks so good. This is the exact color you want your tofu to be. You don't want it burnt, so you want it just perfect golden brown. Now my tofu is ready, guys, but it's not spiced up yet. It's not seasoned yet. I've cleaned up my pan here. I'm going to stir fry all my onion, and the rest of my ingredients. Add a little oil. And then I'm going to stir fry all my ingredients. So I'll add the onion and the green onion, my pepper, my garlic. I'm going to leave a little of the green onion so I can use it as garnishing at the end of my video. Guys, this is so colorful. So guys, while this is still frying, I'm going to go up and mix my sauce. I'm going to mix up my sauce and then I'll pour it into my stir fry. To make my sauce, guys, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, I'm going to add some paprika, about 1 teaspoon too. Okay. And then I will add some sea salt. And I'll add my pepper. Because I've added the other pepper to this, I'm not gonna use up to a teaspoon. I'm gonna use about half a teaspoon. Guys, all the measurement I've used in making this meal, I'm going to put down in the description box. So after adding all my ingredients, I'm going to add a half cup of water, guys. And then I'm going to add my chicken stock, and then I'll just add my chicken stock to it. It's gonna melt, so don't worry. I tried to crush it myself, but I couldn't, so it's going to melt by itself. Now I'm going to add this mixture to my stir fry. Now I've added the mixture to my stir fry, and this is the result. We're gonna let it simmer for a while. So guys, I've put my heat on low and I'm still stir frying my mixture, but it's ready now. So now we're going to dump our tofu into the sauce. And mix it, mix it, mix it. This is the last, the green onions that I left. This is it for my garnishing. Ready. You can, this is actually a side meal. You can have it with rice, with pasta, spaghetti, and a vegetable on the side. So I'm going to be having this with rice and cabbage on the side. Let's taste it and see what it tastes like. Oh my god, guys, this is so good, like seriously. This is so good. I love it. Absolutely. I'm gonna give myself an 8 out of 10. Like, this is so good. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, I enjoyed every bit of making this food. If you enjoyed it, please leave me a comment in the comment section. Give us a thumbs up, and guys, subscribe to my channel. And until next time, guys, excel.